Hello, this is Mr. Golias, and today we're taking a look at our audio recordings for our podcast. So the first thing we're going to record would be your greeting with your name, Genius Hour topic, and your mission statement. After you export that file, you can then move into your driving questions and research facts. There's a couple different ways you can go about it. There's been a couple people who will just show the two that they're going to use and then go into their facts. The way I would do it is after I look at my research, and remember you need to have 5 research facts that you're sharing, your best 5. I went ahead and wrote a script. So here is one of my driving questions, and I put in a script. I did the different coloring because each color change is where I'm going to do a picture change. And that was just helping me out for the images I'm going to use. And then my second driving question was much smaller, and there was really only one main sentence with this, but you could see I did the color changes again. This one's going to have 3 pictures. This one's going to have quite a few more, but the other thing to be aware of, I use transition words, like you'll see a word like however mixed in there, and just trying to make this flow nicely. So you should have paraphrased and not put word for word what you saw on other people's work. So writing a script is a great way to go. Another tip is what I might do is I could break this into pieces. Maybe I'm just going to do part 1 and I just record these sentences. Then maybe I'm going to record these and export it, and then finally do this one. And sometimes it's easier so you're not worried about making a mistake. The other option you could do is you could record the first 2, hit the pause button, and then go on from there. The other trick that is super helpful is if you minimize the screen like this, then you can go in and you could open up Audacity by double clicking, and once that's open I can click OK. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to minimize this, and now I can set it up where I can hit record and I can still read on the right hand side. And this is a great way to make your recordings where it's a little less stressful, and I've found my students do a great job that way. So much like the procrastination, instead of taking the big elephant all at once, we break it up into bite sizes, and we just do it piece by piece. So these are the best tips I can give you to get your recordings for today. Remember, it's your greeting, your 2 driving questions, along with your research facts, and those are the ones you want to do. Go ahead. Good luck.